Hello, crypto enthusiasts and fans of Bingx. Welcome to this comprehensive guide on how to earn big with Bingx, one of the leading cryptocurrency exchanges. In this video, we'll delve into the world of cryptocurrency trading and explore tips, tricks, and strategies that can help you maximize your earnings on the Bingx platform. Get ready to unlock the secrets of successful trading as we embark on this exciting journey. Before we dive into the nitty-gritty details, let me remind you to use the referral code 911 when signing up on Bingx. This code will not only give you a head start but also unlock exclusive benefits and bonuses. Now, let's get started. Tip number 1. Understand the market and conduct thorough research. The cryptocurrency market is highly volatile and constantly evolving. To succeed in this dynamic environment, it's crucial to stay informed and conduct thorough research. Keep yourself updated with the latest news, trends, and developments in the crypto world. Follow reputable sources, analyze market patterns, and study the fundamentals of the cryptocurrencies you're interested in trading. Tip number 2. Develop a solid trading strategy. Having a well-defined trading strategy is essential for consistent profitability. Consider your risk tolerance, investment goals, and trading style. Popular strategies include day trading, swing trading, and hodling, buying and holding for the long term. Experiment with different approaches, backtest your strategies, and refine them based on your experience and market conditions. Tip number 3. Utilize Bingx's advanced trading tools. Bingx offers a comprehensive suite of advanced trading tools to help you make informed decisions. Take advantage of their real-time charts, technical indicators, and order types. The platform's user-friendly interface and powerful features make it easier to analyze market trends, execute trades, and manage your portfolio effectively. Tip number 4. Diversify your portfolio. Diversification is a crucial risk management strategy in the crypto world. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Allocate your investments across different cryptocurrencies, trading pairs, and asset classes. This approach helps mitigate the impact of market volatility and ensures that your portfolio is well balanced. Tip number 5. Practice risk management. Effective risk management is the key to long-term success in cryptocurrency trading. Always set stop-loss orders to limit potential losses and never risk more than you can afford to lose. Consider implementing position sizing strategies and managing your leverage responsibly. Remember, the crypto market can be unpredictable, so it's essential to have a solid risk management plan in place. Tip number 6. Stay disciplined and emotionally detached. Emotions can be your worst enemy when trading cryptocurrencies. Fear, greed, and impulsiveness can lead to costly mistakes. Cultivate a disciplined mindset, stick to your trading plan, and avoid making decisions based on emotions. Stay detached from the market's ups and downs and focus on your long-term goals. Tip number 7. Take advantage of Bingx's educational resources. Bingx recognizes the importance of continuous learning and provides a wealth of educational resources to its users. Explore their extensive knowledge base, tutorials, and webinars to enhance your trading skills and stay up to date with the latest developments in the crypto world. Tip number 8. Utilize Bingx's social trading features. Bingx offers social trading features that allow you to learn from and connect with experienced traders. Follow successful traders, analyze their strategies, and even copy their trades if you wish. This feature can be particularly useful for beginners who are still learning the ropes of crypto trading. Tip number 9. Participate in Bingx's promotions and contests. Bingx frequently offers promotions, contests, and giveaways to reward its users. Keep an eye out for these opportunities and participate to boost your earnings. Whether it's trading competitions, referral programs, or special bonuses, taking advantage of these offers can significantly enhance your trading experience and profitability. Tip number 10. Stay patient and persistent. Cryptocurrency trading is a marathon, not a sprint. Sustainable success requires patience, persistence, and a long-term mindset. Don't expect to become an overnight millionaire. Embrace the learning curve, stay committed to your strategy, and trust the process. Consistency and discipline are key to achieving your financial goals on Bingx. Remember, cryptocurrency trading carries inherent risks, and it's essential to exercise caution and proper risk management. Always conduct your own research, consult with professionals if needed, and never invest more than you can afford to lose. Earning big with Bingx is achievable with the right mindset, strategies, and tools. Embrace the tips and tricks outlined in this video, stay informed, and continuously refine your trading approach. Don't forget to use the referral code 911 when signing up on Bingx to unlock exclusive benefits. We hope this comprehensive guide has provided you with valuable insights and practical advice to navigate the exciting world of cryptocurrency trading on Bingx. Stay tuned for more content and happy trading. For more information and to join the Bingx community, visit their website at bingx.com or follow them on social media. Don't hesitate to reach out to their support team if you have any questions or need further assistance. Remember, the path to success in crypto trading is paved with knowledge, discipline, and perseverance. Embrace the journey and let Bingx be your trusted partner in achieving your financial goals.